Here at Shadetree Automotive, we believe that a complete inspection is the first and most important part in caring for your vehicle. To make the results of this inspection more accessible to you, our technicians are now performing the inspection digitally so that you can see what we see. This includes detailed notes on the technician's findings and even includes pictures when possible, making it easier for you to understand the overall health of your vehicle. Every vehicle that visits Shadetree gets a full 50-point inspection by our certified technician. This inspection is going to include everything from an issue you may be having with your vehicle to brakes, tires, suspension, preventative care, and so much more. When the technician has finished your health inspection, you will receive a text message or an email if you prefer, directing you to your report. This can easily be viewed from your phone or desktop. The report also prioritizes any deficiencies we may discover or recommendations we may have, so that you can customize the repairs to fit your budget and personal needs. The easy color coding system allows you to see areas that may need attention now, in the future, and what areas are in good shape, taking the guesswork out of determining your car's needs. And don't just take our word for it, hear what one of our recent customers has to say about our new digital inspection.
I like digital inspection because it gives you a health score for your vehicle. It tells you the things that are needed urgently and the things that are needed not so important. So they give you pictures of what's going on, a description of the task at hand, and also they show you videos that will help you understand what you're looking at for your vehicle. So thumbs up for the digital inspection.
We hope that you enjoy the ease of the report, the information that it brings, and the comfort in knowing that you have a repair shop that cares about both you and your vehicle's needs.